How to fix a damaged wall, a handyman's guide. Materials needed: spackling paste or joint compound, sandpaper, medium and fine grit, putty knife, drywall patch for larger holes, primer, paint to match the wall color, paintbrush or roller, drop cloth, optional. Instructions: assess the damage. First, determine the size and extent of the damage. For small dents and cracks, spackling paste will do. For larger holes, you may need a drywall patch. Prepare the area. Clear the area of any loose debris. Use sandpaper to smooth out rough edges around the damage. Lay down a drop cloth to protect your floor from dust and debris. Fill the damage. Small dents and cracks. Apply spackling paste with a putty knife, pressing it into the damage. Smooth it out to blend with the wall surface. Large holes. Place a drywall patch over the hole, securing it as per the patch kit's instructions. Apply a layer of joint compound over the patch, smoothing it out with a putty knife. Let it dry. Allow the spackling paste or joint compound to dry completely. This usually takes a few hours, but refer to the product's instructions for exact drying time. Sand the area. Once the area is dry, sand it down with medium grit sandpaper to even out the surface. Follow up with fine grit sandpaper for a smooth finish. Prime and paint. Apply a coat of primer over the repaired area. Once the primer is dry, paint over it with your matching wall color. Use a paintbrush or roller depending on the size of the area. You may need to apply 2 coats for even coverage. Final touches. Once the paint is dry, inspect the area to ensure the repair is seamless. Touch up as needed. This should leave your wall looking as good as new. If the damage is extensive, or if you're unsure about any step, it's always a good idea to consult a professional handyman.